Most people think all online banks are the same, but NBKC Bank offers features that make it stand out if you know what to look for. NBKC is a US-based digital bank with no physical branches. You can open an account online in minutes, get a debit card instantly, and manage everything from your phone or computer. Their checking account has no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and reimburses ATM fees nationwide, a huge plus for people who travel or use multiple ATMs. The mobile app is simple and intuitive. You can deposit checks, track spending, set up automatic transfers, and even link external accounts. The budgeting tools are basic, but functional, giving you a clear picture of your monthly income and expenses. Interest rates on savings accounts aren't the highest on the market, but they are competitive compared to traditional banks. For long-term saving, NBKC can be a good choice if convenience and low fees are your priorities. Customer support is solid. You can reach NBKC via phone, email, or chat. Response times are usually quick, and representatives are knowledgeable, which isn't always the case with smaller online banks. Most people get this wrong by assuming no physical branches mean poor service. NBKC proves that digital-first banking can be efficient and user-friendly while avoiding hidden fees and excessive requirements. The downside is that it's entirely online. If you need in-person service for specialized financial products like mortgages or investment accounts, you'll need to use another provider. In conclusion, NBKC Bank is ideal for anyone who wants straightforward, low-fee online banking with good customer support. For checking and everyday use, it's a strong option worth considering. Subscribe for more honest online banking reviews before you make a switch.